letter Q. Again, letter Q. What is the sound of letter Q, or what does letter Q say in the word? Letter Q says qua, qua. Again, qua. Let's do the action of qua sound together. Make your hand like a duck beak and say with me, qua, 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 qua. Again, KG, qua, qua, qua. Excellent, KG, good job. Now, let's see who are the friends of letter Q, or what are the words that starts with qua sound. Here, the first word is question. Question. Again, question. Repeat after me. Question. And here question starts with letter Q or qua sound. Here, we have here 4 parts. The part of these 4 parts called quarter. Quarter. Again, quarter. And here quarter starts with qua sound or letter Q. Good job. Here, quilt. 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 Again, quilt. And here quilt starts with qua sound or letter Q. Oh, the next word here. What is this word? Queen. Queen. Again, queen. And the queen here starts with qua sound. Quail. 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 Excellent. And quail here starts with qua. Good job, KG. Excellent. Now, KG, let's learn how to write letter Q or qua sound between how many lines? Excellent. 4 lines. We have here the uppercase Q and the lowercase q. Here the uppercase starts from line number 1 to line number 3. Excellent. And the lowercase here starts from line number 2. Good job. But it down to line number 4 because it has a tail. Because it has what? Tail. And here, KG, we have 4 lines. When we write, we said we write between 4 lines. Excellent. The uppercase here started from line number 1 to line number 3. But first, bring your notebooks and your pencils to write letter Q with me. Hold your pencil and start with me. Round, left, dash. Again, round, left, dash. Again, KG. Round, left, dash. Excellent, good job. Okay, here the lowercase started from line number 2, but it down to line number 4 because it has a tail. We said when the lowercase down to line number 4, it has a tail. Now let's try to write the lowercase. We started from line number 2 to line number 4. Excellent. Round, up, down, flick. Again, KG. Round, up, down, flick. Last time. Round, up, down. word? Quiz. Okay, the next one. We said what of this? We pronounce all these sounds together. What beside up gives me the sound what. So here I will read them together in one point. What up, both of them is what. What. Eat. Again. What. Eat. What. Eat. On this word. Quit. Excellent. Good job. The last word here. What the sound? Quite excellent. Quote. A. K. Quote. A. K. What this word? Quote. A. K. Quack. Thank you, KG, for watching, and see you in the next video. And God's will.